Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. Allah Mighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy my videos. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet skirts and blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show you purple in all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. Is very helpful and useful for you guys. I keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you can like our videos. If you want to watch any videos to fashion related, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of related fashion. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel, and prayer and bye.